Minimize unexpected downtime with FTMaintenance Select Preventive Maintenance software. In FTMaintenance Select, preventive maintenance work orders are created from master work order templates, which save you time entering work instructions for repeated maintenance tasks. Master work orders contain instructions for maintenance work that occurs on a set schedule, like inspections, cleanings, or machine calibration. Instructions can be provided through descriptions, task lists that provide step-by-step instructions, notes, and file attachments. After filling out the details, schedule preventive maintenance work according to a calendar date, asset runtime, or when maintenance was last completed. Preventive maintenance work orders automatically activate at the selected interval and notify technicians. Active work orders appear on a global work order schedule, color-coded by work order type, providing a bird's-eye view of upcoming preventive maintenance. When carrying out preventive maintenance work, technicians track their progress by simply checking off completed tasks. Preventive maintenance work orders can be updated and closed from the FTMaintenance Select web-based software or directly from mobile devices using the FTMaintenance Select mobile app. Take a proactive approach to asset maintenance and increase equipment reliability with FTMaintenance Select. Request your demo today.